In this video, we're diving into how to use ShopWired for your digital marketing campaigns. If you're looking to boost your online sales and streamline your digital marketing efforts, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to give you exclusive access to an extended free trial and introduce you to some even better alternatives that could help you achieve your marketing goals. First off, let's talk about what ShopWired is. It's a powerful e-commerce platform designed to make setting up an online store easy and effective. If you're using digital marketing to drive traffic to your store, ShopWired offers a lot of useful tools to help you track performance and optimize your campaigns. Next thing, let's focus on the built-in SEO features. ShopWired automatically takes care of your product pages, meta descriptions, and even allows for custom URLs, all of which are critical for ranking higher on search engines like Google. But if you're looking for advanced SEO controls, you might find these features a bit basic. It's a great start for beginners, but for more advanced digital marketers, you may need additional tools or integrations. The third thing is ShopWired's social media integration. With its built-in social sharing buttons and integration with platforms like Facebook and Instagram, it makes it easy to promote your products. However, these features can feel a little underdeveloped compared to what other platforms offer. If you're running a serious, full-scale digital marketing campaign, you may want to consider more robust tools to maximize social media engagement and conversions. Moving on, let's talk about analytics. ShopWired provides you with some decent reporting tools that let you track the performance of your campaigns. You'll get basic insights like traffic, sales, and conversion rates. But here's the issue: these analytics might not be enough if you're running complex campaigns. ShopWired doesn't offer as much in-depth analysis as other platforms, and you may find it lacking if you want to dive deeper into the metrics of your campaigns. Next thing to consider is automation. ShopWired has some decent email automation features. You can set up automated emails based on user actions like abandoned carts or product recommendations. But the problem is that it's fairly limited when compared to other marketing automation tools. For businesses aiming to scale, it might not be enough to run truly personalized campaigns. Now, the fourth thing you'll want to know is that ShopWired integrates with a variety of third-party apps. This is a great feature if you want to expand your marketing stack and connect your store to things like Google Ads, MailChimp, and more. But even though the integrations are there, they're not always seamless. Sometimes you might need additional work to get everything syncing perfectly. To wrap it up, while ShopWired does offer a solid foundation for e-commerce and digital marketing, it may not be the most efficient platform if you're looking to seriously scale your marketing efforts. So, what's the best solution for your digital marketing campaigns? Well, I've got a recommendation for you. Stick around until the end to learn about an alternative that offers better functionality for more complex campaigns. Before you go, don't forget, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for ShopWired through the link in the description. But I've also got some amazing alternatives that could help you reach your goals much faster. These alternatives are offering a free trial as well, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Make sure to check out the link in the description for all the details.